All right, 2.2 liter 91 Dodge Spirit RT. All you Turbo Dodge guys out there are fans. Nice little 16 valve dual overhead cam. The nice thing about this mode that's different on this one that I had to set it up, they don't make the original radiators anymore, but they do make the standard radiator that goes in the normal Spirits or the Plymouth brand. And as you can see, it's all aluminum. I ordered the fan shroud and everything with it because it fits. And I'll get the hose out of the way. It's a nice fit. The only thing is I'm gonna have to get a new overfill and figure out how to do that. I'll get this out of the way. And as you can see, the intercooler's not here anymore. I've moved it. Normally that intercooler would occupy this space right here, and the piping from the intercooler would come through here and hook into the intercooler. But now that I've got this large size aluminum radiator, which I'm hoping is going to keep the car very cool, what I'm going to do is I'm going to repipe the intercooler, and I'm going to have it come down, and I'm going to go down through here and have my pipes come out here, and I'm going to set up an intercooler to mount right here, and it's going to be a front mounted intercooler. I'll show you that on the next video. But I just want to show you guys this radiator right here, aluminum, from you order online, was like 80 bucks, and the fan was like 80 bucks too. So this is actually hopefully going to improve my cooling on this. All I got to do is I'm going to try and find something to go right here to be my overflow bottle. Just got to go to the yard and find something that's going to work. Okay? All right, again, guys, it's a 2.2 liter 16 valve 1991 Dodge Spirit RT. Thanks.